Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hello, good morning everybody. I'm going to show you something how to fit your cover of the thing. So you go here and let this slow up for a couple minutes. It maybe take a couple minutes. You gotta make sure you have everything correct. I think the guys say you need to have this recorder and this automatic recorder too. Okay, let's do that one. Then you have to go output. Now when I'm running a different internet server and my internet is real bad, you can see I'm running at 600. So that's what I've been using to cover it. I'm doing the same thing with video also too. See, I'm running a different side to make sure I have everything. But going back to the output, and if I ever load up on recorder, that number right here needs to be the same as the number I'm putting in. So if you go down here, 604. So that's a little better too. So I want to show you this right quicker because it will help many people to have to set up the program to get run. If you run a bad internet server, like me, I'm running at 1.3 a beat minute for 1,000. If you add it up, and that's how much your thing is. Here, let me show you right quicker. Where did it go? Where did it go? But it's pretty much, oh, it's on this side. See this part right here? If you go 1.35 double time taper, 1,000. I think, hold on. 1.35 divided by 1,000 is 1300. But I'm running a program, it's on at 600. So you will see the difference of it.